we had one neighbor that had actually used you guys to repair her roof. We thought, well, we're not going to shop around any further because we had confidence, from what we'd heard, that Guardian was the best. I was quite satisfied with the thoroughness of the inspection that Josh with Guardian did for us. He felt like, Josh provided us all the information and the visual evidence. Both he went into our attic, he went on the roof, he gave us video, he gave us photos, because in our early 70s, neither one of us is really, too keen about climbing up there to see, what it was he was talking about. So we were quite happy, that he had all the visual evidence as well as the narrative. And so we were very happy with every aspect of the work that was done, from the initial inspection all the way through to the cleanup. I think Guardian did exactly everything that they told us they were going to do. And, we couldn't be happier. We have, I think, confidence now that we don't need to be worrying over the upcoming years as to what's going on with our roof.